Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math Today with me. I know last week you were learning all about 3D shapes with Señora Castaño. So in this first video, we're just going to kind of review what's a flat shape or a 2D shape and what's a solid shape or a 3D shape. So let's get our video started and we'll go from here. What shapes do you see? You see a hexagon, a circle, a square, and a rectangle. What word does Emily use to describe these shapes? She uses the word flat. In what ways are these shapes the same? They are all flat. Flat shapes are also called two-dimensional 2D shapes. What is another shape Emily could put in this box? I see a hexagon, a circle, square, a rectangle. I'm thinking of a shape that has 3 sides. Can you guess what shape is missing? You could put a triangle in the box. What objects do you see in this box? You see a soccer ball, a basket, a tissue box, a curved block, a traffic cone, a can, and a tent. How are the objects in this box different from the objects in the first box? The objects in this box are thicker. They are three-dimensional 3D shapes. These shapes are also called solids. What is another object Emily could put in this box? So thinking of the things you found at home last week when you were with Señora Castaño. She could put an orange in this box. An orange has thickness. It is a solid shape. Okay, nice job following along with that video so we could see the difference between our flat shapes, our 2D shapes, and our solid shapes, our 3D shapes. So just a reminder, like my piece of paper here, my Post-it, this is a flat shape. And we call this a square. But then I've got this one over here, and when we look at the face of it, it looks like a square, but it has lots of faces, lots of sides, so we call this a solid shape. And this, do we call this a square? No, you did it with Señora Castaño last week. This is a cube. Remember, this one I always think of our dice. Our dice are shaped like a cube. Okay, boys and girls, nice job following along, and I'll see you later. Bye.